Indoor plumbing, very well set. A couple airlocks to work out, but I know it's going to work. Not run for a minute. And then, with that, we can go out, check out the whole system. So, now we got this, which I didn't want to cut the hose, so it runs into here. All up to the tank. Everything up in the tank up there, through the filter. Now the filter might be plugged, I don't know. We'll see, it sounds like airlocked. And we got the one running out. The big line runs down to the pump, which I'll show you. And we got the one running down into the bathroom. Which if you haven't seen, it's in, and I set it up last year, but... Down, down, down. And as far as I know, I haven't checked in a minute, we should have... Whoa, whoa. Oh, more airlocks. I just got it plumbed. And from there, then we go down to the pump. And pump runs it all up into the water tower, and voila. Next step, hot water. All right, turn the valve to let that keep the pressure open. Build up the pressure and walk on. Et voila. Water everywhere. Like a pro.